Yeah.
You don't want to marry chop and
And this are settings, yes. I'm joking.
Merry little Christmas. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Merry little Christmas. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Merry little Christmas.
So we just reached the place. So it looks like, so get the ocean view. It's kind of rainy right now, so if you guys are looking for an Airbnb in Portland, this is the information. The guy's really nice as well. We got a little lost and he came out to help us, but this is how it looks. If you're looking for that nice like country real yacht vibes, wow, look at this. This is so nice. Wow. Yeah, if you're looking for that real country vibes, this is definitely a place to come on check. Okay, and there's cats.
Oh, see.
They have the net.
We have Wi-Fi, so maybe.
Sorry, what's your name?
Bigger.
Big up yourself, bigger. So if you guys get lost like us, you guys just call him and he come meet you.
Yeah, why not?
So you get,
that long time.
I know. So you get the nice spacious room. You have your fan. There is Wi-Fi. You get the mosquito net, which is good because we do have Nyla.
Yep.
Yeah,
This is a washroom.
Okay, cool.
Oh, so they even have a hammock you can hook up. I like down there. It's really nice.
Yeah, but that one can put here if you want.
Okay.
Through the rain.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I'm going to put it on and say.
So this is the view, guys. If you're looking for that nice, comfortable yacht vibes, definitely here. I like it so far. I like it. When we're choosing our ew, Jesus Christ. It's the one thing I don't like is the cats. But anyways, when when we were choosing our Airbnb, we said we wanted a night. We didn't want it to look too touristy, you know. We wanted to still feel like we're at home. So, like I said, so far so good. And just like, what is that? Like a dining
kitchen, and you can put in your fridge there.
Okay.
Where you use, put anything inside.
Okay. You're so friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have a fridge and stuff if you want to put stuff in there, which is nice. Like this.
Like this.
It looks like chill.
Yeah, chill spot.
Yeah.
You can go in the kitchen and you can walk and right up the top and go.
Okay. Hi. So this is the kitchen. Wow, this is nice. Oh, and the kitchen, and you can put stuff in the fridge, he said as well. And what's up there?
There's a swimming pool.
There's a swimming pool up? Oh, really? Oh, wow. So there's a swimming. So by the time you guys decide to come, there's a pool here. Wow. So he just finished it, but he didn't fill it yet. Wow. I guess there's another room over here. Wow. This is nice. So he just did up a pool up here that he said he's not done yet, and you can also like sit up here and still look at the ocean view, which is pretty cool. This is really nice. Yeah. And Ziggy brought his drone and stuff like that so he can lift it up. I'm assuming there's more rooms and stuff up top. So I guess if you have like a little, more than one, like a family, you can check out here. And he said you can get rid of the cats if you don't like the cats. But so far they're not bothering me, so. So do you stay here too?
Yeah.
So like if we need anything, we can just... I don't know where this cat think he's going. Oh, Jaim? Yeah. Nice to meet you. Alright, so Jaim and Bigga. Yeah. So they also stay here if you need any. Yeah. And there's more rooms up top? Oh, okay. So there's more rooms up top. Yeah. And the price is very affordable.
I wish I would pass this on.
I still can't believe we passed here. We are about to settle in. We just connected to the Wi-Fi. I actually have a vlog that I should be editing, but we're gonna try to figure out food. I still can't believe we passed this place. It was literally right there. But I guess because the truck was in front of the sign. And Ziggy was getting so frustrated, but... You have hot water? Yeah. And they have hot water. That's a bonus right there. So I'll put all the info to this place in the description box down below. You guys can check it out. Like I said, they're really friendly. You don't have to be scared or anything. You're good to go. We wouldn't recommend somewhere where we feel not safe. And he just also put up this hammock right here. So because it's raining down here, so he just put this up for us right here. Wow.
Okay. Huh? No?
Around here?
Yeah, we cook food for one time if we don't want to.
Oh.
We have a restaurant here.
Oh. So like dinner, how does that work? You guys have a menu? Oh, can we see? That's nice. So they cook here too. It's like literally like it's like a hotel. You're getting like the full deal. So is there liquor too? You guys have liquor too?
Yeah,
oh.
Something we get. Oh.
Okay.
So sometimes you know, I'm at the guest and buy the liquor.
Yeah.
It's more cheaper for them.
Oh, okay.
You know?
I talk to the people them. So me and I can get miserable because me have to drive go way up so and then drive come back and go back up so again, but you know, me not like I like it. I'm gonna tell you all the reason why I like it. And just this. The place no look like no top class settings. You see me, just good way. Me not talk like it just
Look like you're still in Jamaica.
the board them. It just
Reminds like your home.
yeah.
It's not hotel where
It's
like
homey.
Yeah, homey.
You understand? I like it, God know, I like it. And then me just looking at what I see over there so. So I'm not zooming. I go just lift up the drone and just shot the whole thing and make you see what I go on, but look good. And the G said them cook and set up the thing them for really sweet.
Yeah.
Anything you want, them deal with the fear.
They're really friendly.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's nice. It's nice. Nisha, you go in a hammock.
You go in there.
Alright. Nice.
And it's very clean.
Nice.
Very clean.
Okay, bathroom here. And if Nisha been shown already. Show over yourself. And the boss and Billy by himself, him and his friend. Like, they just come together and just work on the place. That's real. Me help Nisha. So, 1, 2 day of this. Like liquor scenery, you know? Good view. Nice. So I could have one no. I know what I'm going on, you know.
I already started eating my bad. I forgot you went to go get the
Some
battery.
steamed fish. Some veg. White rice for this. So have a nice. I'm going to kind of same settings over there, so. Already have a dig in, you know, although Nisha fuss me.
Sorry.
Now wait for me star. You have to be careful with them fish, you know, man.
I know, boom.
See that yarn the one there, Lamic? Nana? So.
Good morning. This is like such a beautiful morning view.
Back.
Yeah. Breeze is nice. It rained last night, but breeze is still nice. And a little cat. The cat Nyla's always trying to play with. So we're about to head on the road to go get some stuff. we're gonna head into the town, but this is the view. It's so pretty. The view is so pretty.
Sea view, YNV Sea view, right in the Portland area. So a restaurant right on the roadside. That's a see me. You can get your tea. It's a coffee, Milo, peppermint, ginger, bush, anything, any tea you want.
They have fried fish.
You know?
And I think the beach is in the back.
And you have a bar right, it's the same speed, so if you want to come all that.
Yeah.
You know? On the beach side. And you know, say, alright, after that's already up on one hill, somewhere across, yes, sir. You know? The beach side, that's the same speed. So I don't know, so on the day, so already I pay a beach for that. I see them. I better to cheer them.
The one thing I noticed about Portland is that there's a lot of little chill spots where you can just go sit. And there's a lot of open spots to the beach and stuff, eh?
But we come, like, every time we come to go get our liquor, wet up.
Yo, the water is so rough.
Rough. Yeah. ASMR, I think. Oh no, it breeze that blood. Breeze that blood. Oh. Yeah. Oh Nisha, we have to go look for pigeon, man. Hey!
Yo, all we heard was just this morning. Yo, it sounds scary.
So, today I will get some food. We go down on the road, go get memory card holder to get the drone, to get the footage off of the drone. So now we have come up back here and see one place down here, so we're gonna get some soup, some sip, and so they have curry goat, one only for food. And we have passed back the place lock. No, not lock. I'm gonna go say. Yeah, they said the food already. Alright, Nisha, turn up sexy so many times, you know. Jesus. She's scared. I would be scared too.
So guys, we just got back home. We're just here playing around with the drone, trying to catch a little footage. Like I said before, Ziggy's like, I don't even know if I said this before, but Ziggy's learning how to use it, so everything's new to him, but he's slowly getting it. The man's well determined. But we're just here chilling, just had some fried chicken and rice. It was nice. It's the place that we're staying at, it's kind of hard to put Nyla down because the way how it is, like the steps, these are the steps, and I don't know if you guys can see over here, and she keeps going over there. I don't want her to fall. So yeah, we're just here chilling. A really nice little chill spot. They even have like a little chair thing. Let me see, some cushions. Watch her. Nyla. Nana? Hey. Hi. Well, let me get some pictures of her. Hi. So guys, we are out here chilling, taking in the view. So where we're staying, they actually have like a little, like where you park your car, they have a little spot where you can come and like sit and just take in the view. Let me show you guys the view.
Nice sky, yeah, sure.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the one of me you chop on.
And these are settings, yes. I'm joking.
Angles them in at the D.
Yo, we were just saying how it's so funny how a couple years ago when it would just be me and Ziggy. It's just weird because back then it would be so much easier for us to do certain stuff. You know, just get up and just go, come in this time and all that stuff. Yeah. But now that you have Nyla, it's like it's not
different.
Yeah, very different. It's not like we can't go down there, but we just can't explore as we want to, you know?
Tell them to talk to me good.
Tell them to talk to me good.
I could have one no.
Akurawa, Ziggy said I always say it so bad.
No, you say cute.
I say it cute.
Tell them to talk to me good. Yeah, now. Yeah, now.
What I like about this place is you can check in, you choose the time you want to check in, and then when you're checking out, is you have until like 6 p.m. Usually places give you until like 11, 10, but you get until 6 here, so today's our last day. It just sucks that it really rained because we didn't get to go to where we wanted to go.
I just, you see, just rough.
Very.
Like, well, a rain make it get rough on the breeze, but yo, you know you got some other B&B or whatever.
Airbnb.
And like you that day on the beach, right? It's the same. I basically same thing, but the upper one hill.
Yeah.
And the beach down yourself. And it's nice if the water is rough culture. When you come in water, you come up so far.
I know.
And yo, last night we get up think we catch tsunami. Tsunami.
I was just about to say that last night. Like literally, we're so close to the beach. When you're sleeping, you can hear the waves, but it's almost like it's relaxing. But it's also kind of scary because yo, it's heavy. Like it's
scary.
rough.
We get up here after 3. I really come look out, and I look, Mrs. say, the water still down there. So.
I know, because I woke up and I'm like, where the hell are you going? Say hi.
I know. But it's nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. And it's very family friendly. Like I said, people around here are really friendly too. Because you know, Jamaica's not really certain places you go, you can't always ask everyone for where you're going, like directions or for this or that, but
yeah, this is not funny, but we top we actually pass where I come. I go way back round.
Way back.
I don't remember which by place name, but
Missional?
Never
heard of it.
Nisha Rain.
Rain?
Nisha Rain, China. Or get up now.
I am trying.
Hurry up, man. Yeah, so I say, we see this man turn up on the roadside, do a mash it. So me now, they say me go ask the man which part, Ray. Then me tap at the ask the man, me see the man goes up. I walk off. I say, what is Nisha, run, Nisha, run. Run, Nisha, run. Oh, God almighty. Woo. I say, you slow, mama?
No. Yo. I was running went down there.
Yo, Nisha, slow,
I
stop.
heard T going.
I really need to.
I know, eh?
See the rain again.
Rain on
But-
and off.
Well,
Mama, sorry.
so we're there as a see me. And me I tell you, say place nice.
So relaxing.
You see me? Yeah, it just
Yo, trust me,
chill.
I've seen people do Airbnbs in Jamaica, but it's mostly like not as nice, but it's more like upscale, like hotelish.
yeah.
This is literally like yacht vibes. I feel like we're at home.
But remember, say from me see the
Yeah,
like the what do you call this?
I don't know. It looks
The
like
settings like this. Me no, you can't tell me what I call. Me I say yo, I that the Indonesia this some more. Cause it just look like
really yacht, like a little hut.
funny board them. Right settings. Me just like it.
It looks like a hut.
You know? But we don't know when that vlog will come up, but we don't know because internet will move slow. You see me? I will go show on a real nice shot. All you want supposed to see that before this.
Yeah.
You don't know how you go set. Or probably put your last or something, but you go see a nice shot I place above. Check it. Your face look fat.
So yo, it just started raining again. That's the only thing that sucks. This is such a nice place and there's so much to do around here. Because we're not too far from Frenchman's Cove or Cave. And Blue Lagoon is actually down the road. We wanted to go there, but it just started raining again, so that's the only thing that sucks about here. I mean, not here, but like the days that we chose to come here, it's the only thing that sucks. It's just that it's raining, so you can't even do much. But other than that, it's a really nice place and there's a lot of stuff to do. And then the main town, Port Antonio, is not too far from here, which is the main little town where if you want stuff, there's a lot of food, cook shops. There's also a lot of shops in the area as well.
So one man just running out of my car down this and then the man go to this.
Lie.
The man go and say, a theme place. What me they do? What me think me they do? Tell me now.
Come.
Who they tell I need?
Here. Here.
Say man they bad driving.
And also, they cook here, so they have a menu and they cook food. Like last night we had the fish. They have a menu if you guys want food. You can request stuff too if you want. They'll make it for you. So it's a nice little spot, as I said before. Yeah, we're about to go chill. I'm still trying to upload this vlog and it won't go because the Wi-Fi is kind of weak today. I don't know what's going on. So hopefully we can get this video up and running. But yeah, we'll tune back in with you guys. Hopefully this rain stops and we can actually go do something. The day's still early. Stopped somewhere to get some food at this little restaurant. I don't know, it's like a restaurant that we stopped pass by and see. So I got some jerk chicken, pop chop, and rice and peas. This girl's so focused on the water over there. Hey, 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 hey. So yeah, it's like a nice little chill spot on the outside. Have your tables and everything. It just sucks though because it's raining and the breeze is kind of blowing. Hey, 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 hey.
So yo, on the way to go up and spot this is a almond tree, but you know.
How they get lights on? The lights on.
The climb it. And then climb it.
Yo, the one thing with Christmas out here is people go off.
Yeah.
They do it like they find.
I like all your phone light brighter than
Really?
brighter than the car light.
I know, eh? Holy shit! Oh, you're so silly. I actually believe you. The food that we got, it actually looks so freaking good, and it's huge.
Right off.
Huge, and it's really close. It's near. Wow, it's literally close to where we are. But yup. About to dig in. Watch this girl. Watch this girl.
That's it.
Anyways, I'm gonna go feed her.